Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you the filter node. The filter node is an important node because it filters the input and gives you a clean output. So to see how it works, of course we begin with a humble code node. If we enter it, I already made a script that outputs this. Different fields with different values. So we get ID, names, roles, etc. As you can see, the script is simple, it only outputs 4. But if we go to the filter, as you can see, it's similar to a previous node we did a video about, which you should watch, which is the if node. You have to give conditions, and based on the conditions, it does the steps. Of course, you can go with one condition, 2, 3, how many you want. And of course, the conditions can be and or. So it can be this and this, or this or this. And just like the if node, all the rest are or. So let's keep it to one condition for now. Let's go. I only want the active users, for example. So I drag active. It automatically detects it's a boolean. So you choose from false or true. Let's choose true and execute the step. As you can see now, we got filtered down to 3. But there's more. We can add another condition, and let's go with and of course I want the role to be, for example, I just want the admin. Of course, automatically detects it's a text. That's a neat feature. We write admin. So it needs to be active and an admin. So we execute this step and we get just this. And that about does it for the filter. It's a simple node but very powerful. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.